Hello, each and everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to see another two letters, a couple of letters, like as usual. Fa, 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 ra, sha, farasha, farasha, fa, ra, sha. Farasha. It's a butterfly. And now we are going to see how to pronounce fa. Fa. This is an easy one. Fa is the counterpart of the English sound f and ph, the f sound and the ph that are pronounced by pressing the top front teeth against the bottom lip, this one, and releasing as you blow air out, like this. You just press the top front teeth, this one, against the bottom lip and releasing as you blow air out. So this is the method you pronounce F. And now to the second letter of today, Ka. Ka. So don't don't focus on this. We are going to see it later. This is Qi, but I am going to teach you just the sound. Qafun, 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 qa, qa. Qirdun, qi, dun, qirdun. Qirdun. Perfect. Excellent. And now I'm going to teach you how to pronounce it. Okay. Qaf is one of the letters that doesn't really have a counterpart in English. It can actually be pronounced like a K with the tongue farther back, with the tongue like K. When you pronounce K, the tongue is not back much, but when you pronounce Qaf, the tongue is back much, just like the image here. Try to imitate it. This is a really good image of it. Qaf, Qaf. It's a gruff sound. Qaf. Qirdun. Perfect, excellent. I know you're so smart. And now I'm going to teach you how to draw or how to write them. So, fa looks like a number 9 but rotated clockwise by 90 degrees. Look at 9. 90 degree, we just write it this way with a dot on top, this way. So this is fa. Qaf and fa are, let's say, shape mate, but not really. When you write qaf is this way. This is qaf. I'm going to write it again this way. F or fa is in the same line, like you draw it in the same line, but qaf we're going down the line. I don't really have a line here, but I'm just trying like to explain it to you guys. It's so easy, just try it. Fa, and this is how we write it. Okay, this is not a good fa, just fa on the same line. So okay, goodbye, see you next